Just going to show you my little 26-inch park jet that I came up with and I'm trying to develop as we go along. First, I think you might have seen already the paper, the drawings that I made. I cut out the wings yesterday. It's a Delta jet, and it's basically 26-inch wingspan. It's by 30-inch is the total length of the jet. The wings I think are about 20. Yeah, they're like 23 and 3/8, if I can remember right. The length of the wing and 26-inch wingspan. The jet is basically gonna have an airfoil on the wing. Okay, it's gonna be extremely similar to what Lipo Pilot did. Okay, the wing is basically gonna be flat on the bottom, which this is the bottom of the wing. It's gonna be flat with paper on both sides for rigidity, and there's gonna be another layer of foam board on top. All right, just another layer without paper on one side. That way it arches like this. This has paper on one side. This side has paper. See, and it doesn't have paper on this side. So it arches towards the side that doesn't have paper. So I'm going to use this as an example. It's going to have an almost identical cutout of the wing on top of it, another layer without paper on one side, on the bottom, on top of it. Underneath it, it's going to have a dowel to raise it up a little bit. And also along the fuselage, it's going to have another skinny little piece of foam, say like this, for example, so that the top layer rests on it. Okay, you guys could see this done to Lipo Pilot's 28-inch wingspan park jet that he built. I think he called it the Park Dart or something. It came out really good. You guys can see it at lipopilot.com or in his Ustream channel. So I'm going to do the very same thing that he did. I don't know if I'm going to run into different complications or whatnot, but I'm going to try to do it the same way. So that's the basic idea for the airfoil of the wing. That way it generates more lift and it's more stable in flight. It's going to be made all from Elmer's board, the foam board. It is 4 millimeters wide, and this is inspired by Lipo Pilot's jet. It's very similar to his jet, but I just made a lot of modifications, a lot of different changes that I liked. First of all, it's similar in the sense that it's gonna have the fuse is built very similar to his. Obviously, it's gonna have 2 walls in it, and then the top is gonna be covered similar to his. But mine is gonna be the fuse is going to be open in the front, and it's going to allow air to come in through the front, circulate through the electronics. They're going to be housed inside, and it's going to exit through vents that I'm going to cut out through here on the side, and I'm going to kind of cave in the walls a little bit so that air can escape before, because the motor is going to be in the back, obviously. And I'm going to make a hatch in the front so I can have access to the electronics. I'll be putting some things together and hopefully get done within the week while I wait for the parts to ship to get here from Hobby King. If you want to see the rest of the build, watch it on Ustream. My channel is MaydayRC. You could also go to maydayRC.com/TV and watch it there. I'm going to be trying to broadcast as much as I can of the build just to get it on video and record the whole thing. I've never done it before, again, like I said. So you can go to maydayRC.com/TV to watch it. That's my RC blog, and I'm going to outline how I'm building the whole thing, any changes, anything like that, the test flights, everything's going to be out there. So remember, maydayRC.com/TV.